Hi, this is Zelda Cain with A to Z Real Estate Consultants here in the Woodridge Forest subdivision at Cain Homes. We just had an awesome class on video marketing, and now I'm trying out my skills. Thought I would take a picture in the background of the model home that we had our class in, allow you to see how beautiful it is, and also I'll share some of the pictures of the inside of that model home as well. You'll also see another Cain home behind me. Cain was awarded Builder of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and so come on out and take a look at the houses in the Woodridge Forest subdivision. If you're interested in knowing more information about these particular properties, then give me a call at 281-813-6887. Again, this is Zelda Cain, A to Z Real Estate Consultants in the Woodridge Forest subdivision. My direct phone number is 281-813-6887. These builders love realtors, and you should not be spending that type of money without the assistance of a professional walking you through the process. We'd love to help you, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. 281-813-6887. Zelda Cain, A to Z Real Estate Consultants. Thank you.